In this video, I'll show you how to disable face verification in Binance. First, open the Binance app or go to the Binance website and log in to your account. Make sure you are using the official Binance platform because face verification is connected to your account security and identity settings. Once you are logged in, go to your profile menu. On the Binance app, you can usually tap the profile icon in the top left corner. On the website, click the profile icon in the top right corner. Next, open Security or Account Security. This is where Binance manages your login protection, two-factor authentication, withdrawal security, device management, and verification settings. Now look for options related to biometrics, Face ID, face verification, or passkeys, depending on your device and the version of Binance you are using. On some phones, Binance may use your device's Face ID or biometric login feature, while in other cases, Binance may require face verification for important account actions. If you see Face ID or biometric login, tap it and switch it off. Binance may ask you to confirm the change using your password, email code, phone code, or authenticator app code. Complete the security check to save the change. If you are using an iPhone and Binance Face ID is controlled by your device settings, open your phone's settings, scroll down to Binance, and turn off Face ID permission. You can also go to Face ID and passcode, then check which apps are allowed to use Face ID and disable Binance from there. If you are using Android, open your phone's settings and check the app permissions or biometric settings. Depending on your phone model, you may be able to remove Binance from biometric login or turn off fingerprint and face access for the app. It is important to understand that account identity verification cannot usually be fully disabled after your Binance account has been verified. Binance may still ask for face verification during high-risk actions, account recovery, password resets, withdrawal changes, or suspicious login activity. If you cannot find an option to disable face verification inside Binance, contact Binance support and explain exactly what you want to change. They can tell you whether the setting is optional or required for your account. And that's how you disable face verification in Binance. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.